Alright, what's up YouTube? About to show you guys what kind of fireworks I'm working with this year for 2013 here in California. Everything here is illegal except for those right here, which I'll get started with. Right here I got just some tanks, then 2 packs of ground bloom flowers, and a pack of morning glories. I got these at the stands. Then right here I got a strip of firecrackers, all red crackers. Got these in Chinatown. Then right here I got some planes. And I got 2 packs of whistling moon travelers. Then right here I got a brick of thunder bomb firecrackers. They're pretty cool. And right here I got 2 assortments of Roman candles and rockets by Shogun. See, comes with 12 rockets, some small ones, and then large ones and medium sized ones. And then comes with 8 Roman candles, regular Roman candles and crackling, and some will report. 2 boxes of these. And then right here I got some artillery shells, some festival balls, nothing special. And then to the cakes I got a Super Stallion 16 shot. Then I have Bling Bling 36 shot. Then I got City Crasher. This one's 25 shot. This one's really heavy. And then right here I got Wild Man. This one is 21 shot. It's an angled cake too. Then right here I got Out of Control 16 shot by World Class. I've seen a video of this. It's alright, but I mean I got it for a good price, so yeah. Then right here I have 2 Excaliburs. There's the other one. Comes with 24 canister shells. It's my first year using these, and these are really loud, especially when they come out the tube. Comes with all the effects on it. Oh, and this is what they look like right here, if you haven't seen. So yeah. Then right here I got a bag of M1000. Got 5 of them left. And then right here I got 10 M80s. These are really loud, especially for their size. Then right here, I show you these 2 boxes. First one comes with 6 rockets, titanium salute rockets. These are Class B, 1.3 grams. Yeah, I got 6 of these. Next I got a bigger box right here. These are really big. These are some colored rockets. Got 6 of these. So yeah. So that's pretty much my stash right here. I'm about to go pick up a Thunder King tomorrow. But this is pretty much it. I think it's alright, especially for California, here in the Bay Area. So yeah, have a good 4th. Later.